Whoa, let's be clear right now, yeah? Just because JY's got average grades and he's doing all right, I'm not rich at the moment, but just because I got average grades and I'm doing all right, let's not think for 1 minute that we can just coast along through life and just get average grades and life is just going to work itself out. Yeah, you still need to put in the effort and maximize and do your best. Yeah? This is what I don't like about certain people who make a lot of money, whether it's business or whatever, and they will say, well, it doesn't matter about GCSEs because I flopped my GCSEs and now I got money. So what was the point? Like, there's a guy that started that business, Pimlico Plumbers. I remember there was one time he was on a show and he was in the panel. Let's say it's like question time or something like that. And he was saying, I went to school and that and whatever in it, and I started my business, plumbing business and that. And he said, listen, if I go back in time, school's a waste of time. I wouldn't ever have gone to school. I would have just become a plumber from age 15 or whatever in it. And that is fucking bad and stupid advice. If everyone took that advice, who the fuck would be the doctors? Who would be the lawyers? Yeah, that he's getting to, sign certain laws and whatever in it. Yeah, or who's going to be the conveyancing solicitor that's going to deal with buying and managing his properties and that. So unless there's certain people, they become rich and that, and they forget that education is still important. This is why I don't like young people doing trading and that, or doing Bitcoin or cryptocurrency and that, because what happens is, and I've said this many times before, you will have a young youth, he might bump into his cousin and that, and his cousin went to uni, his cousin's now 30, his cousin never got the job that he was supposed to intended to get, and he jumped on trading and that he's making a bit of money, and he says to his young little cousin who's 17, 18 uni age and that, forget going to uni, I went to uni, I got an okay degree, but I didn't get the job that I wanted to get, and I just jumped on the trading thing and now I'm making a lot of money. So don't bother go down the route of going to uni and that it's a waste of fucking time, as a lot of people think, which is a fucking lie, because like I mentioned before, doctors and lawyers and that, they went to uni, and teachers and that. Don't bother go to uni. It's a waste of time. Just jump on trading. That is bad advice. Yeah, you should still get a Ras Clark education. Yeah? So just because you've got okay grades or no grades, you can still turn it around and make something of yourself. But that doesn't mean that you should say fuck going to school. I showed you lot that video where I phoned up my previous college, Hertford Regional College, around Broxbourne, and they said you don't even need any GCSEs. You can have 0 GCSEs and still apply to get on the level 1 or level 2 course, electrical installation. Yeah? But that doesn't mean, during secondary school you should get kicked out like some damn jackass and that. And yeah, don't worry, we just wait until we're 21 years old or whatever. Because I think it's 19 years old. You don't need to have GCSEs to get on the level 1 or the level 2. But when you're 16, you do need to have GCSEs to get on the level 1 or level 2. Go check out that video. I can't remember what the woman said 100%. But I phoned up the college whilst I was making the video just to prove that you don't need to have any GCSEs. But that does not mean that you can just fuck around and that, and yeah, I'll jump on trading, or yeah, I'll get a electrical apprenticeship. Nah, that's not the right mentality to have in that. So yeah, you can still make it, but you should still always be putting in the effort, yeah, no matter what it is. So don't listen to no bad advice where people say, these self-made millionaires, entrepreneurs and that, fuck school, man. Yeah, you're saying fuck school because you're fucking dumb, that's why. Yeah? I'll guarantee you that guy who started that business, Pimlico Plumbers and that, I guarantee he weren't super intelligent. There's no way. Yeah, because if he was, he wouldn't be fucking becoming no Ras Clark plumber. Yeah.